everyone, my name is Pachi Mishra and my topic is normal extension. Normal extension is the part of abstract algebra which is a very important topic. Let we discuss about the topic normal extension. Let L upon K be a algebraic field extension. The L upon K is said to be normal extension if for irreducible polynomial f of x belongs to K of x such that at least one root of fx belongs to L. Then fx splits in L, and this form is known as normal extension. It means when we have to prove that the function is normal extension or not, we have to check, we have to first say that L upon K be a algebraic field extension, then L upon K say to be normal extension. There is a given condition for that it is normal extension for if they have irreducible polynomial of fx belongs to kx such that at least one root of fx belongs to L. It means that one of them fx belongs to kx root, at least one root of them has to belong L. Then fx splits in x, or we also say that they therefore fx can be linear factorized in L. For normal extension, we have given some conditions that we have to prove that first that they have at least one root of fx which is belongs to L. Then fx splits in L, and second that it is normal extension of L upon K. For example, we have taken one example. Example is C is the normal extension of R. It means here C is the set of complex number. So we have to prove that C is the normal extension of R. It is yes or not. For that we have to first see that the given statement is belongs to the given statement is belongs to definition or not. For that we have to see that the set of complex number is belongs to is we have to make the in the form of L upon K. Means when we see that L is C means set of complex number, and K is R. Here we have see that in the definition, let L upon K be a algebraic field extension, then LK is say to be normal extension. So that when we see that set of complex number is the normal extension, so we make C upon R, which is the form of L upon K according to definition of normal extension. After that we have to see that C upon all algebraic field extension fx fx which is the normal root of here is the given statement, at least one root of fx belongs to L. Here fx is the irreducible polynomial, so that we have to see that fx is reducible. In that case fx is equal to 0. For that we have seen that one root of fx belongs to L, then fx splits in L, therefore fx can be linear factorized in L. So when we split that, they have formed the normal extension field, and after that we have proved that C is the normal extension of R. It means that set of complex number R belongs to, or we say that set of complex number is the normal extension of R. So here the answer is yes. So the when we have to prove the normal any function or any given root या any set of complex number या set of rational numbers, set of normal numbers, any numbers, any example, we have to prove that that given set is in the form of L upon K. After that we have to say that L upon K is said to be normal extension if for irreducible polynomial, for that fx belongs to K upon x such that at least one root of fx belongs to L, then fx is split in L. And or further, therefore if fx can be linear factorized in L. So this is the normal extension, the definition and the example. In this example we have proved that we have seen that how to prove this set of complex number which is C in the form is a normal extension of R by the help of definition. Thank you.